Hello guys, today I will show you how to change Duolingo app interface language. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Duolingo application. Now after opening the application, you will see this interface. So this is Duolingo's dashboard where in order to change your interface language, first of all, click on the flag icon at the top left of the screen. Now choose course button, that is this plus icon. Now, this is going to take you to this new courses page where you can choose what course or language you would like to learn. So, you will scroll down, and in order to change the Duolingo app interface language, just scroll down, click on more, and you will get different kind of options to change the interface language to. For example, if I choose that I want to learn English for Chinese and I'm a Chinese speaker, I will choose English here, that is this flag icon, and I will click on continue. Now this says this will change the app's interface to Chinese. You should only choose this option if you already speak Chinese. Click on change to Chinese and this will instantly change the app interface language quickly. Now, if I want to change the app interface language to French, for example, I will choose that I want to learn any of these specific languages under French. For example, if I would want to learn Italian and I'm a French, I will choose Italian under for French speakers and click on continue. Click on change to French and this will instantly change the app's interface language to French. As you can see, everything is in French right now. So that is the simple way to change Duolingo app interface language. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.